welcome to the Holi Mela.
Oh, Kemcho!
Barabarche!
Okay.
ShemCooks and creates!
If you're watching the video, then you need to subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome back to ShemCooks and Creates. I'm here at Holi Mela Festival and I'm with the organizers. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, I'm Anshita.
Okay.
Anju.
Okay, I can see you have like a lively event. The event is really good.
Yes.
Can you tell me about the event?
Yes, this is Holi Mela. Holi means it's a festival of colors,
Okay.
marking the start of spring in India. It's a festival of colors, and Mela means fair. So everybody gets together and everybody sprinkles colors, just expressing joy and celebrating. That's what it all means. Originally, of course, still in temples in India, they do it with flower petals.
Okay.
But here you can see we are all full of color. I
Colors,
somehow
yeah.
managed to escape. You
Oh, just go here, they just splash
I
colors.
hope you're enjoying it.
I'm enjoying.
Excellent.
And the food is good.
Excellent.
It's my first time trying. There's something I've taken a shot. They told me it's a shot, and it was
Golgappa, Pani Puri.
Yes,
Delicious.
so basically the organizers, this time we've got the youth organizing for it, and they've come up with different things. So tell us, Anshita, what have you been doing?
So we've got very unique vendors this time.
Okay.
We have tons of different types of cuisines. We have Indian, Italian, Japanese, different types of drinks as well, such as bubble tea, pani puri, what he just drank.
Yeah.
It is spiced water with a puri, which is
Like a fritter.
like a fritter, exactly. And it's
Alright.
really yummy. It's a shot of spice, basically. And this time we've chosen very select few vendors to come showcase their products. And the food is exquisite. It's super delicious. And I'm sure he'll walk you through all of them.
Oh, sure.
But yeah,
Definitely. So how can Kenyans blend into this kind of events? Since when it comes to food, we have different cuisines compared to the Indian's cuisine. So how do you think we can blend into your culture?
So for me, I feel,
One second,
you've got to, basically I feel samosa, for example, is originally Indian, and everybody has adopted that cuisine, right? And similarly now, for example, this time the children have gone ahead, and the children no longer children, they have gone ahead and partnered with BizBaz.
Yes.
So we are trying to integrate, we are trying to involve other communities. That's the idea,
Yeah.
So everyone to learn more about our culture, and this is, of course, we are Hindus. Yes, and that's but I feel we are the most accepting and most open community.
Yeah, definitely.
Community.
Yeah.
So we've opened our premises at SSD Temple to everybody. As you can see all cultures over here, all communities over here.
That's true.
And about the food, we've got samosas, we've got different. I think everything is integrating. For example, chicken tikka used to be in India, and now it's British cuisine.
Yeah. It's
So-
a Michelin option in
Yeah.
most of the Michelin restaurants.
Yeah. What do you want to add, Anshita?
I 100% agree, and there's so many different types of cultural food here as
Yeah.
well that I think it's open to everyone. Like she said, our doors are open to everyone. This time we collaborated with BizBaz,
Sure.
and we just wanted to showcase and accept everyone. And it is a free event, so anyone can come in at any time, and we're happy to host everyone.
I'm actually enjoying. So in a year, how many times do you hold these events? 1 year?
So this specific event happens once a year. So Holi is originally celebrated in the month of March, and every year the date changes because of our Hindu calendar. But this time we usually set a date that we do this Mela. So this time it was on this date.
Okay. I hope I'll enjoy. I'm looking forward to that. Trying the food, eating. You've told me there's This, how do you call
The
it?
pani puri is amazing.
Pani puri. I want to try it.
You have to try the
Paneer
pani puri.
tikka, shawarma.
Shawarma. I'm familiar with shawarma.
You've got to have
And-
gola,
Gola. Okay.
And we've got chole bhature, rabra patties, dahi
Okay.
bhallas,
jalebis.
Okay.
hot jalebis.
Okay. Okay.
Once you have it, you
Okay.
cannot go back.
So you feel at home in Kenya. Though you are far away, the cuisine also brings you here and you feel like you are at home, right?
This is our home.
Yeah.
This is our. I'm
You
born
know, our
here.
children
Okay.
were all born over here, so this
Yeah.
is home.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bless.
much.
Okay.
Good to meet you.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, boss. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Okay, I can see you have some good food.
Yeah, we have a variety of it actually.
Okay.
They're mostly snacks. So we have pani puri, all right?
Okay.
We have chole tikki.
What's that? Is it beans? Looks like beans.
Yeah, we have the chickpeas. And there's like a patty of potatoes underneath. Two
Okay.
of them.
Okay.
It's Punjabi food.
Okay.
Yeah, we
Okay.
have samosas as well. But
Samosa?
they're Punjabi samosas. So
Okay.
they're like bigger.
So
size.
what have you stuffed the samosa with?
There's potatoes, peas, and onions, and like a few masalas.
Is it similar to the Kenyan one?
It's similar,
Okay.
but it tastes better.
So
Because
Kenyan
it's
one.
Punjabi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I can see you have.
We have fried momos,
It looks like the Chinese
Dumplings.
Dumplings. Yeah.
Yeah.
The shape.
but there's an Indian twist to it, you know.
What's the stuffing inside?
There's cabbage,
Cabbage.
carrots. I don't think that. Oh, there's soybean.
Soybean.
Soybean chunks.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. How about the last part?
That's dal bhajia.
Bhajia.
Bhajia. But
Is it-
made with dal.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait. Dengu. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, first time seeing this. And I can see you have like, is it bread or what's this? I've seen it on
this is
videos.
It's fried puri.
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 Is made from what? Bread or what?
The flour, you know, they used to make bread.
Yes.
It's made with that, but it's fried instead.
It's fried.
Yeah.
So
and
this-
it's very crunchy.
Okay, so when you cut this, you add the
We add the potato filling.
potato filling.
And then we fill it with the water.
Okay.
And then have it.
Okay.
And you have to fill it. You have to take it in one bite.
So it's like the Indian tacos, right? Because
say
taco
that.
you can.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have to do this in one bite. You want to try one?
Sure.
Okay.
I hope it's safe. I hope my stomach will
Yeah.
not. So this is the
Pani puri. Pani puri.
pani puri.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now you
pani-
have to take it in one bite.
It's like a shot.
Yeah.
And how comes all of your food have to take like a shot? I've tried something else
Yeah.
there. They told me you have to. Okay, let's go.
That's how you enjoy it more. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, delicious. Can you tell me about the food and how it connects with your culture?
Well, when I was small, I grew up in India.
India, okay.
Yeah, I came here like a few years ago. And you know, when you usually go to the markets, they have these pani puri stands.
Okay.
Right now, okay, you know, we give it like this.
Okay.
But there you have to eat it on spot.
On
like,
spot.
Ready.
Ready. Okay.
Yeah.
So these events brings only Hindus together, or is it
Okay, in India, it's mostly everyone who
everyone?
enjoys it. But here I can see there's an, I'm guessing it's Korean. There
Korean?
was a Korean stall. I saw kimchi there.
Okay.
Yeah, we are Punjabis.
Okay, I've seen also Chinese food somewhere
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have multicultural people here.
So that's why you do a lot of colors. I've been told it's a
Yeah.
mix of culture.
Hi,
Okay.
Paan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Salman, can you tell me about the event?
The event is doing well.
Okay.
The outcome is very good.
Okay.
We are praying that more people come, and yeah, we wish everyone the best.
Okay, can you tell me one thing about this event? How does it connect with your culture?
Okay, I've been doing these events for a while now.
Okay.
It's been like 3-4 years.
Okay.
So the good thing is it's a mixed crowd.
Okay.
The young, the kids, the elderly, yeah. And how I connect with them is I sell something very different all the time.
Okay.
So I try to bring up new things all the time.
Okay.
And that's how we blend in.
Okay, I can see you have some special cuisine. I've
Yes.
never seen this.
Yes.
I've never tried. I've only tried chicken biryani. I've not tried this kind of food.
Okay, this is
Tell
a
me
mouth
about-
freshener.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically this is like Paan faluda.
Okay.
Yeah, and we do the Paan shots. No one does this.
Okay.
These are chocolate Paan balls.
Okay.
These are chocolate Paans.
Okay.
It's actually a beetle leaf, so it's a mouth freshener basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mix it
I
with
mean,
what?
depending
This?
on what the
goes
plan.
first.
No, this one is on its own.
It's like a
You drink it like
drink.
a milkshake. Yeah.
It's a milkshake. Okay.
Yeah. This is
okay.
a mouth freshener with chocolate.
Okay.
And this is without chocolate.
Without chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you had told me inside you stuff it with
All these.
all this.
Yeah, like dana,
Okay.
chopro, variari, depending on how the person
Okay.
wants it.
You show me how I should eat it because it's
Sure,
my
I
first
will.
time. So
I will.
let's go.
Okay.
So what's that?
This is just some scent of.
Okay, scent. Okay,
Yeah.
flavor. All right. Is it spicy?
No, it's a sweet.
It's sweet.
It's a sweet pan.
All right.
Then I can put for you the dana,
All right.
the variari, the chopro, and these are petal leaves.
Betel leaves.
Yeah, but they make a syrup out of it.
All right.
Yeah. Then this is sugar.
Sugar.
And this is just water to make it wet.
All right.
And then you just put the syrup,
All
sugar
right.
syrup again, wet. You fold it like that.
So I should take it like a shot.
Full. No, this one you take the full thing in your mouth.
All of it, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Then you finish with this.
So what's this?
That's a pan shot.
Damn. Wow. I feel like I've taken a shot of vodka.
But this has no tobacco, huh?
Okay, guys. Thank you. Can you tell us about your brand?
We are located at the 5th place. Our shop name is Mamu's Paan Hut. Yeah.
Okay.
And we are a purely vegetarian restaurant.
Okay.
So we also have other cuisines there.
Okay.
Make sure you come.
Okay, sure. Okay, nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you.
Same here.
Hello, boss.
Yes,
How are you?
good.
This is the Holi Mela
Holi
Festival.
Mela Festival. It's a Hindu festival.
Okay, is it the food? The food. I can see you have food.
Yes.
Is it only Hindu food or it has some Indian, Kenyan into it?
No, it's a totally Indian food.
Indian food.
Indian food. It's
Okay.
like this pani puri.
Okay.
It's like made by like maida.
Mera.
It's like you can say chickpeas.
Okay.
They made this balls. Okay.
Okay.
And the potato and chickpeas they put inside.
Okay.
There's a flavor water. Okay, it's a flavor different mint.
Okay.
Then garlic, coriander, so like and cumin. Okay, so
Alright.
there is a different kind of like water we make. Okay, like you have to put a paste of the cumin, you have to paste of the garlic, coriander, mint. So it will like
Is it spicy or not spicy?
some are spicy, some are not spicy.
Okay. And what's the significance of this food to your culture?
This is like our traditional food. Okay.
Okay, traditional.
It's like see, the India has a like like vast area. Okay, so
Okay.
each and every area like you go north is different,
Okay.
south is different, central is different, east is different.
Okay.
So the each and every have a different food.
So this is like the northern side.
Gujarati, you can say Gujarati, you know that. So northern side.
South. Okay.
Northern side.
Okay.
Not south. South
Okay.
you will go, you will get dosa.
Okay. Thank you, boss. Nice to meet you. And do you have a store in Kenya?
I know we do only the functions only when we have
Only
these kind of
functions?
functions that we do the store.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
My name is Shweta Manesh.
Okay.
Sheetal Suthar.
Okay, what's this event?
This is for Holi Mela.
Okay.
So we normally get together here, we eat food, we do masti, we play with the colors.
Okay.
We celebrate our functions all together. We do masti, we do dance.
All right.
We do so many things together.
Okay, and I saw you dancing, like
Yeah.
it was really nice. Is that an Indian dance?
No, it's a Zumba, it's kind of exercise.
Okay.
So see, some people doesn't like the exercise like normal way. So
Okay.
you can do with the music. So it's easy and it's enjoyable.
Okay, I have a challenge today. You need to teach me 3 Indian words.
Words?
Or a say. Okay, yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
So you can say Kemcho.
Huh?
Kemcho.
Kemcho.
Yes, it
Okay.
means how are you?
How are you?
Yes.
Kemcho.
I'm very good. Hum barabar, hum majama chho.
Oh, so when I say Kemcho, what's the response?
Hum majama chu.
Umajamachu.
Yes, I'm
okay.
very good. It means I'm very good.
Okay, Kemcho.
Hum majama chu.
Okay, how about what's your name?
Cheetal.
Huh?
Cheetal.
Chidel.
Yeah.
Chidel. Chidel. Okay, how to say my name is
Marunam.
Malunam ShemCooks.
Marunam Cheetal.
Okay. Manumal ShemCooks.
I don't know Gujarati.
Oh, okay. How about you? Where you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan. How do you say hello?
Salam.
Huh?
Salam.
Salam.
Yeah.
Okay, salam. And the response is
Wassalam.
Huh?
Wassalam.
Wassalam.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you enjoy the event.
Very much, very much. We are just forward, like, we are
Okay.
going to enjoy more now.
Okay.
Okay,
Nice
thank
to
you
meet
so
you.
much. Same here. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, guys. Can you tell me about the event?
It's fun.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so is this about the food or the music? What do you like the most? Everything. Everything. Okay.
It's also a bit of religious,
Okay.
meeting new people,
Okay.
just making friends, and just celebrating our culture and everything.
Can you teach me one Hindu word?
One Hindu word.
Yeah.
We got him.
No, teach me a good word. Good words only. Good words only.
Kemcho.
Kemcho. What does Kemcho mean?
Hi. How are you?
Oh, how are you?
Yeah.
When I say Kemcho, what should be the response?
Barabar che. Barabar che.
Oh, Kemcho.
Barabar che.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy.
Yes.
Okay, bigger. Can you tell me about the event? About this event?
What do you want to know about this event?
Everything about the culture, the food, the music.
Food is,
Yes.
We are celebrating late in Nairobi.
Okay.
No, not on 4th. Yeah, it's on 4th of March.
Okay.
It's already celebrated.
Okay.
But it is it's a festival of colors.
Okay.
So in this, we first, on the previous day, we just burn the holika.
Okay.
And the next day, we just play with colors.
Okay.
So we celebrate the holika. See, he
All right.
protected his child.
Okay.
So that's why we celebrate this. This is a you can say win over evil. That's why we are celebrating this one.
Okay. So is it only Indian festival or
It's a Hindu festival all
Hindu.
over the world.
Hindu?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the colors? What do they
Celebrate, play with colors.
play with colors?
Yeah, play with
Can you tell me one Hindu food that you can recommend that I would like? One Hindu food.
Forward, Hindu food forward. For this we made gujia.
Gujia.
Yeah. For this special
Okay.
this special festival.
Okay.
We prepare gujia.
Gujia.
Yeah, gujia.
Puja, what is it?
Yeah, it's you can say sweet dish kind of thing.
Okay. Okay. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Happy Holi.
What's your name?
Okay. My name is ShemCooks.
Yeah, Sagar.
ShemCooks.
Sam Cook. Sagar.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Is it your first time watching the video? Subscribe. ShemCooks.
Yes. ShemCooks. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share.
Yay!
Bye bye.
Up and they try to steer clear.